Assalamualaikum. Welcome to video 13 IAS 23 borrowing cost applicable for both SBR and FR students. This is a very short standard. Basically, this standard is about whether you can capitalize the borrowing cost as an asset or not. There are some criteria that you have to meet before you can capitalize your borrowing cost as a part of asset. Okay, so IS 23 requires your interest expense to be capitalized. Interest means interest on your borrowings to be capitalized if they are directly attributed to the construction or acquisition of a qualifying asset. What is a qualifying asset? A qualifying asset is a one which takes a long period of time to get ready before it can be used or before you can sell it. But if an asset does not take a long amount of time, remember it's not a qualifying asset. Okay, very important, you have to take the borrowing for a qualifying asset. If it's not a qualifying asset, you can't capitalize the interest expense as a part of cost, as a part of capital. So the capitalization, when does it starts? From the day when construction begins and when your asset is ready for use, that time your capitalization will cease. So borrowing cost that has been incurred after the asset is completed or while the work is suspended will be taken as an expense in your profit and loss. They will not be capitalized. And the capitalized borrowing cost are those actually incurred, although this may be estimated if the entity is financing the cost out of general borrowing. Now, let us go through this example. So on 1st August, company is borrowing 400,000 from bank to construct a building with a cost of 500,000. The interest rate on loan is 6%. And they have commenced the construction on 1st October 2004 and it was completed 30th June. So first you have to take the borrowing cost of 400,000, apply 6% rate, but for how many months? From 1st of October to 30th June. So October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, only for 9 months. Okay, so 400 into 6 into 9 months, the borrowing cost is 18,000. This 18,000 you will capitalize it as a part of cost of the asset and then you will depreciate it like how you depreciate non-current asset. But depreciation will start once the asset is ready for use from that day. Thank you for watching. This is all about IS 23. Now make sure that you do questions from your revision kit on IS 23 because IS 23 is a standard which often comes with your IS 16, that is your property, plant and equipment. So it's very important in your exam to see whether you have acquired an asset, a ready-made asset, or you are taking a loan or borrowing to construct an asset. Okay, if it's a ready-made asset, IS 16 will apply, non-current asset. But if it's a asset that will take time before you can use it or sell it, for which you have taken a loan to construct, then you have to apply IS 23. The next standard will be IS 24, which is related party and on which ethical question is asked for SBR students. IS 24 is not relevant for financial reporting, but it's there for SBR. So thank you.